Automation is no longer a thing of science fiction, it's a disruptive wave crashing through every industry, especially tech. From AI writing code to robots managing logistics, the pace of automation is accelerating far faster than most people realize. By 2030, up to 90% of today's tech jobs could be replaced or fundamentally altered by automation. Don't believe it? Let's count down the top reasons why your job or the one you're training for might soon be run by lines of code and metal limbs. Machines can already outperform coders at speed and scale. Coding used to be the holy grail of job security, but with the rise of tools like GitHub Copilot and OpenAI's Codex, even the act of writing software is becoming automated. As of April 2025, GPT 4.5 Turbo can generate functional code in over a dozen languages, reducing project development time by over 70% for some startups. Google's AlphaCode 2, released in early 2025, scored in the top 15% of human programmers in competitive coding challenges. Automation isn't coming for coders, it's already writing better code faster and with fewer errors. AI is learning to manage itself. The latest AI systems are now not only intelligent, they're self-repairing and self-optimizing. DeepMind's Gemini 2.5, unveiled in March 2025, has the ability to fine-tune its own algorithms based on real-time feedback. This means fewer tech engineers are needed to maintain AI systems because the systems are increasingly capable of managing themselves. In IT operations, platforms like AIOps are replacing entire departments of monitoring teams as they automatically detect, diagnose, and fix issues without human input. When the systems don't need us to babysit them, the babysitters get laid off. Robotics and AI are displacing entry-level tech jobs. Robots aren't just in warehouses anymore, they're taking over entry-level tech support and junior IT roles. As of 2025, companies like IBM and Cisco are deploying AI-powered virtual technicians who solve network issues, reset passwords, and handle hardware requests. In 2024 alone, over 110,000 entry-level IT support roles in the US were replaced by AI chatbots and robotic process automation. These roles were often considered stepping stones into more advanced tech careers. Now, they're stepping stones to a pink slip. The gig economy is training its own replacement. Freelancers and gig workers in tech are unknowingly speeding up their own obsolescence. Every time they feed a gig platform like Upwork or Fiverr with data how tasks are done, what tools are used, time taken it fuels AI learning. Uber drivers have helped train autonomous vehicle algorithms, and freelance web developers are training AI tools like Wix ADI and Framer AI to design complete websites. The more human output the AI sees, the faster it learns to replicate it. In short, humans are teaching robots how to take their jobs. AI is transforming white-collar professions too. Think your tech-adjacent white-collar job is safe? Think again. Legal clerks, finance analysts, and even radiologists are being automated. In the medical field, 2025 has seen AI systems outperforming radiologists by processing over 10,000 images in minutes with fewer diagnostic errors. Financial analysts are being replaced by machine learning models that can crunch real-time market data far beyond human capability. Even product managers are using AI to conduct user testing, roadmap planning, and feature prioritization. Once considered irreplaceable due to their soft skills, these roles are now just as vulnerable. Self-driving tech is reshaping tech-dependent industries. Driverless cars are already redefining industries that heavily rely on tech infrastructure, logistics, food delivery, and even public transportation. Companies like Waymo, owned by Google, and Tesla have released autonomous fleets that navigate real roads without human input. In 2025, over 50 U.S. cities now legally allow self-driving commercial vehicles. This shift also impacts thousands of tech jobs related to fleet management, app support, driver coordination, and data routing roles that will vanish as the AI handles everything from route optimization to user interfaces without human supervision. AI tools are replacing whole teams. Gone are the days when launching a product required a full team of designers, developers, copywriters, and marketing specialists. In 2025, all you need is an AI dashboard and a few clever prompts. Tools like Gravity Write, Shuno AI, and Make.com are empowering solo creators to do what once took an entire department. Want a blog post? Done. Need a product video? Generated in minutes. Need backend automation? Just click a few buttons. These platforms are so efficient and intuitive that even users with no technical background can operate like a full-stack development team. As a result, companies are slashing headcounts not because they want to, but because the math makes it inevitable. Why pay 10 salaries when one person with the right AI tools can deliver the same output faster and cheaper? These tools don't need time off, don't negotiate raises, and never ask for equity. It's not just transformation, it's a corporate revolution, and it's downsizing as it scales. Automation is not slowing down, it's accelerating. Automation is not easing up, it's picking up steam and fast. The World Economic Forum's 2025 update projects that 85 million jobs will be displaced by automation globally by 2030. But here's the twist. It will also create 97 million new roles. Sounds optimistic, right? Not so fast. These new jobs aren't the same as the ones being lost. They demand advanced skills in AI oversight, robotic systems, machine learning, and data science fields that require years of specialized education and training. The average worker, especially those in routine tech roles, is now expected to level up just to stay relevant. The learning curve is brutal, and time is running out. In the tech industry, tools and systems evolve so quickly that knowledge from just 2 years ago can already feel ancient. If you don't have the latest certifications or AI savviness, your job could be swept out from under you. The speed at which innovation is unfolding isn't just exciting, it's unforgiving. Big tech isn't talking, and that's telling. Tech giants like Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon are plowing billions into automation technology, but don't expect them to shout about job losses from the rooftops. Why the hush-hush approach? Simple. No corporation wants the PR nightmare of being labeled America's top job killer. Yet the reality behind the curtain is staggering. Apple's AI-driven scheduling assistant is now doing what teams of executive assistants once handled. Amazon's warehouse floors hum with precision, thanks to AI-guided robots that have slashed labor costs by over 40%, according to a 2025 logistics report. Google is quietly rolling out self-maintaining servers and predictive systems that make whole IT departments redundant. Microsoft's Azure platform uses AI to automatically detect and correct performance issues without human oversight. These changes are already deployed, but the companies stay silent. Why? Because they know panic could ignite backlash. They'd rather keep you focused on innovation, not the millions of jobs being silently replaced. When big tech goes quiet, it's not because they don't know, it's because they do. It's already happening. We're just not ready. The most alarming fact: automation isn't in the future. It's happening right now, and it's moving faster than we can keep up. According to McKinsey Global Institute's 2025 report, more than 30% of current work activities in the tech sector are already automatable with today's technologies. That doesn't even include the surge of innovations released this year, such as OpenAI's multi-agent platforms, which can simulate entire developer teams working in parallel. These systems handle everything from coding to debugging to project planning, with minimal human input. We're not talking about potential anymore, we are talking about the present. Jobs are vanishing, roles are being redefined, and the very structure of tech teams is changing before our eyes. From software engineers to QA testers, no position is truly safe. Millions have already felt the shift, some silently replaced, others demoted or reassigned. The future of work isn't approaching slowly, it's charging toward us. The question is no longer if or even when. It's what now, and are you ready? If this video opened your eyes to the future of tech jobs, just imagine what's coming next. Don't get left behind. Smash that like button if you're ready to outsmart the bots. Got thoughts or fears about automation? Drop them in the comments. We're all ears. Subscribe now for more eye-opening stories about the world that's already changing.